Today, we are going to unpack and show you the Airwheel SR5 automatic folding suitcase. Here are the accessories included in the box: a smart wristband, a detachable power bank, a user manual, a battery charging cable, and 3 cells of AAA battery. The shell of the SR5 suitcase is made of PC plus ABS. Its weight is about 6 kg. After opening its outer cover, we notice that there's another inner cover. The outer layer is designed with various pockets in different sizes, which can be used to hold your folders, notebooks, power bank, and other things. The inner layer volume capacity is 30 liters. As a 20-inch carry-on suitcase, its storage room is good enough for short-term business trip or personal traveling. Open the lining and install the AAA batteries to set the fingerprints before use. The wristband and charging cable are stuck together with a magnet. The USB ports on top of the suitcase are available to recharge the smartphones, wristband, or other electronic devices. Connect the power bank to the suitcase and turn on the power switch on its top. Wear on the wristbands and power on, then the automatic follow mode will be activated. Power off the suitcase and pull up the trolley handle to be used as a regular suitcase.